In this problem, it's asking us to compare numbers. So which numbers have a value greater than pi? And then it wants us to select two correct answers, and they've got that bolded, probably because it would be easy to forget that you want two answers instead of one. So the first thing you need to understand is what is pi. And if you enter that in the calculator, press the pi symbol, you're going to get a string of numbers. You know pi is infinite, so it never ends, but we don't need a whole lot of digits. But let's do a 3.14159 is plenty of digits in order to solve this problem. So what we're going to do is compare each one of these answers to 3.14159 and see which two are greater than that. So we have 8 over 3. Now you could enter this in the calculator, but it's just is not very difficult to do by hand. So 3 goes into 8. 2 times 3 is 6. And actually I'm done at that point because it's 2 point something and pi is 3 point something. So this is too small. That is less than pi. Okay. The next one is 3.14, and we're comparing 3.14159 to 3.14. Okay, so because there's another digit after this 3.14 in pi, this one is less than pi. So that's probably the trickiest one as far as knowing how to compare it. The next one is 23 over 7. 7 goes into 21 3 times, and then we're left with some more. So let's go ahead and enter that one in the calculator, and we get 3.28. Okay, and we compare that to 3.14. You can see that 2 is greater than 1, so this is greater than pi. I should do this to distinguish it, right? Okay. The square root of 9 I know is 3, and 3 is less than 3.14159, so this is not true. So the square root of 10 we assume is true. But let's go ahead, and when I enter it in the calculator, I get 3.162 with some other digits after it. And when we look at pi, it's 3.141. So we can see right there where the 6 is, that digit is larger than 4. So this also is greater than pi. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.